this is how to scale the object in SketchUp. For the example, I make the basic object in here, and I will click the push pull in here. This is the basic size of this object. I just make group in here, right click and make group. Okay, right click and make group, and then we can click this one, and now we can select the scale in here. Can select the scale to up. Okay, but I will move and duplicate it first. Move, tap control and duplicate first, and just click and select the scale in here, and it will appear some nodes in here on this every single surfaces in here, and just click one of the surfaces in here. Okay, if we click this one, we can scale this one. Okay, and then if we scale this one, we just scale this vertically in here, and I will undo. Okay, and then for the scale for the another shaping, we can just scale this one with using this one. But for the scale for the precious size, we can scale this one in here to make it the larger size in here. Okay, and now I will make it appears in here. I will make it more clear for the background in here. Okay, just like this.